In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Revolut Business account for my YouTube channel. 2025. Open your web browser and search for Revolut. On the official site, look for the option to create an account and click it. Start by selecting your country so Revolut can tailor the setup to your local regulations and currency, then continue. Next, you'll choose your business type. As a YouTuber or content creator, the simplest fit is usually sole trader or freelancer. This keeps things straightforward if you operate independently without a registered company. Make your selection and continue. Enter your email address and proceed. Head to your inbox to authorize the login or confirm your email. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Once authorized, return to the setup. Now enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected to receive text. Continue, then enter the verification code sent to your phone. Create a strong password you haven't used elsewhere, ideally combining upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and continue. Provide your date of birth and continue. Enter your residential address exactly as it appears on official documents or utility bills, then continue. You'll be asked to search for your business legal name. If you're registered as a company, type the official name. If you're a sole trader using your own name or a trading name, enter that and continue. Now add your business details, the legal name, your registration number if you have one, and the date of incorporation. If you're not a registered company, select the options that reflect that status and move forward. Continue when done. Enter your business address, city, and postcode. This can match your residential address if you operate from home depending on local rules. Continue. It's time to verify your identity. Continue to the verification flow. Choose the type of ID you're going to use, typically a passport, national ID, or driver's license, and follow the prompts. When asked, start the short video recording for liveness verification. Make sure you're in a well-lit place, remove hats or glasses that could obscure your face, and hold your document steady so all details are clear. Complete the steps and submit. After verification is approved, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. From here, you can view your account details, manage payments, and prepare to receive revenue from your YouTube channel. That's it. You've set up your Revolut Business account for your channel. If your verification takes a little time, just keep an eye on your email for updates.